Hey, y'all. It's raining. So, I am fixing to go get Wyatt from school. We are in the midst of like a tropical storm or Hurricane Debby or whatever they are calling her now. So we haven't gotten the heavy rain yet in my area. I'm in South Carolina, close to the Georgia state border. Not the country of Georgia, but the state of Georgia. This is the shirt that my mom got me. Pittsburgh Pirates. It's a tank. So the boys have therapy today. So depending on the weather this afternoon, it's at 3 o'clock. Will determine if we go, but it's not bad right now. I've been keeping an eye on the weather. So mom's working from home today. She's gonna watch the midday news. So I don't know exactly what is going to happen with this storm. So, but it's just a light rain right now. So I'm gonna go get Wyatt and I'll keep y'all updated. So I'll be back. I got this 75% off. I got my sister's shirt. I got me a shirt, and I got this. It's just a thin athletic jacket type thing. All 75% off. So I spent less than $10.50 at the consignment shop before it's closed for business. So anyways, I'll be back later to update y'all on Debby, the storm. So not my sister. Different spelling, and she goes by Deb. So look how cute Elijah's ramen bowl is. Got a place for the chopsticks. It says ramen. It's his new favorite bowl for ramen. Making a video. So, unfortunately, the chopsticks broke yesterday when he got it. So, I ordered him a new set. It should be here tomorrow. So that's cute. So 6:49 evening update. It is still raining. There's a frog over there. I want to go find that frog. That's one of these down, getting soaked. I'm gonna go find that frog. Garden's happy, to say the least. Almost 24 hours of rain. It is definitely getting soaked over there. Definitely did not get into the 80s today, so high of 76 here. Mom stayed home and worked. Sadly, that died. Those are still hanging in there. I put them down for the night. So it has not gotten much heavier than this today. The kids are on a 2-hour delay. We've had like a little bit of wind. So just a whole lot of rain today. Wyatt had a doctor's appointment this morning, and then they both had therapy this afternoon, and there was one accident this morning on the way to take Elijah to school, but that was it. So we shall see what tonight brings. So anyways, like and subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see y'all tomorrow.